I'm at my new permission. It's a huge yard. Real excited about this. And first good tone, I get my token mason jar. And this looks pretty intact actually. I bet it's even got the little part in the middle, that little seal thing. Anyway, I'm going to carry it around for a while until I get back to the car. Here under these old lilac bushes. And I got kind of a funky signal, and it's an Indian. So this is awesome. It's my first Indian for the year. I think it says 1864 or 1868. I don't know. I can't really see. I'll have to clean it up. But anyway, it's awesome. Happy to have it. I'm going to keep on looking. I'm not sure about this. I think maybe it's a razor thing. Kind of looks like it's a razor thing. But anyway, it's kind of cool because it's got writing on it. Kind of old. Happy to have it. Gonna keep on looking. Be back real soon. Almost didn't dig it, and I got one dime. Look at that. Let's take a look and see what we got here. I'm not sure if that's a barber. It'd be awesome if it was a seeded. So let's get this cleaned up. Let's see what we got here. Guessing it's going to be a barber. Yep, and we got ourselves a barber dime. This is awesome. And I don't know if you guys can catch that date or not. Looks like it's an old one from 1890 something. We got, looks like, that'd be 1892. Wow, awesome. And keep on looking, see what else I can find. And we'll be back with you just as soon as I have something else to share. Well, this is kind of an interesting ground find. Some kind of a spine. So some kind of creature. I don't know. Anyway, just laying here near the sidewalk. Figured I'd check it out. I got a pretty good tone by the house, and I found an old debuckle. And it's pretty cool and very old. So it was about, I don't know, maybe 6 inches down. So you can see, oh, there's still something, a little something in the hay. Probably the stick for that. I'm going to see if there's anything else in this hole. I'll be back with you as soon as I find out. And still in the hole was the other part of the debuckle. So kind of cool. Looks like a junky old piece of iron to me, but I know that if it was right next to the debuckle, I'm pretty sure it's a fit. So I'll keep it. See if I can put them together at the end of this video. See what they look like. See you at the next hole. And this is what the debuckle looks like when it's all put back together. So kind of cool. I found both parts to it. And keep on looking and see what else I can find. I'll be back with you soon. Well, it's cold today, but we figured we'd come out to that permission. I am back under these old cedar trees, and I got kind of a sketchy tone, but look what I popped. Got another Indian. I'm going to clean it up, see what kind of year it is. It's my second one out of this permission, so happy to find it. You keep on going, see what else I can find. Hey dear, how's it going? I need you to read this for me and tell me what year it is.
Huh?
I need you to read this for me and tell me what year it is.
Tell me what year this is.
I don't know. Tell me what year this is.
It's a 1 dime. Actually, it's not a 1 dime.
It's an Indian.
It's an Indian. They just threw it on the ground.
Don't throw it on the ground. And you licked it. That kind of grosses me out just a little bit.
I did.
Can you get a year? If not, I'll clean it up when we get home.
18 something.
Awesome.
1895 maybe.
Alrighty.
It's a little bit worn, but.
Yay. Well, I'm going to keep on looking, see what else I can find.
1897.
And we'll be back with you soon. 18 what?
97.
1897. Just made it. I don't know. It's heavy. And not sure what this would be for. So if anybody has any ideas, feel free to comment. I'm going to keep on looking in the hole because I did get one other tone. So I have a feeling this is the tone I was chasing because it definitely would ring like it was a coin. But not sure what it is. So keep on looking. Be back at the next hole. Here I got an 84 signal. So I figured this might be worth looking for together. So let's see where it is. Wasn't that deep. Let's see. I think it was in the pod. Let's see. Not seeing it. Here, let me rescan real quick. Now there's a giant nail. Hopefully that's not the signal. I'm going to scan real quick. This was my target. I did a little finding for it, but what it is I think one of those soap coupons. Let's see if I can get it cleaned up. I don't have a brush on me, but well, we'll do the junior thing. See if we can pick it up here. Yeah, it says dealers this check something retail price condition on it's a Palmolive soap token, so it's pretty cool. I'm gonna keep on looking, see what else I can find. Okay, this was toning beautifully. It was like a 95, and I found a giant spoon. So I'm gonna keep on looking, see what else I can find. I'll be back with you at the next hole. Looks like a 1956 D, so just barely a weedy. And I think the reason why it was so tinny is this was also in the hole. So I'm going to have to think twice when I hear these really crappy signals and take them anyway, I think. Because sure enough, this is only my second weedy I found out of this commission. So I'm going to keep on looking to see what else I can find. I'll be back with you at the next one. Okay, so this was ringing as a 45, which is typically a signal I wouldn't dig, but I don't know, felt like digging it. And this is kind of cool. It's a little ring, or else, I don't know, maybe a cigar band, but it's kind of neat. I don't know if you guys can see that very good, but very thin. I'm guessing it's actually a wedding band, but I don't know, kind of older, kind of cool. Happy to have it. Gonna keep on looking, see what else I can find. Okay, this was toning beautifully. Looks like a part of a pocket watch. And it looks like I have something else going on in the hole right here. So I am not sure. Well, this could be a trash hole because that piece is not part of the pocket watch. It's plastic. And there's something else down here too. Gonna see if I can dig it up. I'll be right back if it's anything. Well, I'm not sure quite what this is, but it's sort of a neat old relic. It's some kind of winder, or I don't know, maybe a latch. Anyway, it was about 6 inches down. It's toning pretty good. Figured I'd check it out. I'm gonna keep on going, see what else I can find. Well, I guess that's all she wrote. I got that little ring and the token, a couple pieces of harmonica reed, a wind chime, some pieces of pottery, and this pocket watch. No old coins today, just kind of stuff in the 60s. And I'm ready to call it a day. So thanks again for joining. Hope you guys are all out digging and having a great time. Talk to you soon.